Morning. Hello, welcome to everyone in the room and welcome online for meditation. So, with our meditation, we focus on getting still, taking deep breaths, observing our sensory awareness, and then observing the noises the dogs are making, let them out. And also, then we proceed positively. And so we do mini stop throughout the day, remember? Lots. Is anyone really starting to try and practice mini stop throughout the day? Good, good. And are you noticing? Yeah. Good. The idea is that we will have issues in our tissues, triggers will come up, we'll have reactions. But at any point in time when we're feeling ourselves react or we're hearing it, the words come out and we're seeing ourselves react, we can take charge, okay? We can stop, get still, take 3 big deep breaths, observe our sensory awareness, because that helps calm ourselves down. It gives the mind another job. So if our mind's going 10 to a dozen worrying about something, if we worry about what can we hear, what can we feel, then it just allows, okay, our body to become still. Then you observe your thinking and ask yourself, is this for my highest and best? Is this working for me? Thinking like this, feeling like this, acting like this, yeah? And then you go on to talk to yourself, self-soothe, reassure, give yourself other options. And as you expand into stillness, you expand into a greater awareness that reminds you there's unlimited options of how to respond, how to behave, how to think, how to address your daily activities. And so it helps you plan, it helps you proceed positively. And what I'm talking about is really simple. It's like if you're walking out to your car, you know you're about to do a different task. So just stop, get still, feel the car, feel your feet on the concrete. Notice the breeze on your face, the sun on your skin. Oh, and give yourself a moment to go, oh, what am I about to do? Oh, I'm about to go from A to B. And guess what? You get from A to B a lot smoother. You don't get lost, you don't get stressed, you don't get worked up. And so it's an anxiety management tool. It's to make our life flow. And we notice synchronicities then. We notice all these wonderful little pieces of grace, miracles, synchronicities, whatever you'd like to label it. But they're available to us wherever we go. But most of the time we're stuck on autopilot and we're fixated and we're in our 3D and we're in our headspace and we're just doing what we used to do and we're charging against the world. And when we're doing that, we're stuck. We're stuck in the big A. We're stuck in anxiety. We're stuck in perceived attack. We're stuck in anger, agitation. We're stuck in sort of forcing the world. Okay? We often make faulty assumptions. And you know me, I joke and say we make the big A of ourselves, okay? Because we're not doing our highest and best. If we use stop, we get time to just get still. Take the deep breaths, S-T-O-P. Observe and plan a little bit before and between each activity. We actually do have time to engage with our highest and best and our values. If I interviewed you all now and said, in your mind, just think about what are my top 3 virtues, my top 3 qualities, my top 3 values that I live life by. Can somebody just yell out a couple of virtues, a couple of values that you live by? Kindness, good. Integrity, good. Honesty, good. Loving. Okay, this is true. This is what we all believe of ourselves. That we're loving, kind, honest, we live with integrity, with virtues, love thy neighbour like you love thyself, care for each other, you know. Doesn't matter what religion or non-religion you come from, there's a similarity across mankind, yeah? That's what we believe we're doing. Now, if you take a moment to just reflect upon your lives, and particularly say the last couple of weeks, when you've been influenced by the matrix out there, the three-dimension, work, jobs, bills, how often are you actually living in alignment with your values? How often do you fall out of being loving and be snappy? How often do you fall out of living with integrity because you had to sort of just do what was needed at the time? How often do you miss being kind in customer service to other people and saying good day to people? How often do you miss noticing helping the person that needed that door? It's a funny thing to say in our society at the moment, isn't it? You can't even say hold a door open for someone. Anyway, but how often do we miss little examples in our life where we could be kind, compassionate, loving, in alignment with our higher virtues and values? Is this making sense? Can you all reflect and go, oh, yeah, that was a time I missed doing that?
People that I just said, when you say hi to people in the morning when you see them in the street, and people don't say hello.
Exactly. Exactly. It's rude. That's right. It is. That lack of just a little bit of acknowledgement to another human being. Sometimes when a human being goes out to go for their daily walk or walk their pet, and you may find this yourself, especially in COVID times, or goes to the shop, it might be the only human contact you have for the day. So isn't it nice to just say hello to that other person or say good day? But if we're stressed and we're ruminating, we're worrying and we're, worried about and panicking, perceiving attacked, worried and being anxious, hiding ourselves because we don't feel confident, and we're not connecting, we're not living to these virtues or values that we all would like to perceive that we are. Yeah? Okay? So how do we live? Actually live by. This is what I really want to break down meditation, because meditation is really just giving you the tools then to how to live more effectively in alignment with kindness, love, integrity. Yeah? And it's because we need to just stop regularly, because we trust our mind. We're on autopilot. We trust that there's an attack when there isn't one. We trust that we really should hide and we've got something that's different from others. No one's different. We hide and really feed our anxiety. Okay? We make faulty assumptions. Yeah? In actuality, it's all just stuck in mind. If we stay through doing stop in alignment with our higher self, with our conscious mind, kinder qualities, resources, integrity, kindness, love, etc., and we stay with our heart open and compassionate, then we can move through our day reaching these values and virtues we'd like to do. And it all comes with stop. Just take a deep breath, think about things, and give yourself a moment to get grounded, right back in the present, right here, right now. Okay? So that's what our goal is when we're doing meditation, is really practicing this tool. It's like exercising muscles. If you don't use it, you lose it. Do you know that old saying? So if you're not learning to meditate, if you're not training your mind and body to becoming in an alignment, if you're not really bringing your virtues and values up into your consciousness, and then you might just find that you're not actually living to the values you believe. Okay? And so when we do stop, we get to correct ourselves. Okay? So we get to go, oh, okay, gee, I got swept away with that. How can I anchor myself? How can I bring myself back into alignment? Yeah? Feel good? Okay? Sound good? So that's why I encourage mindfulness, stop, out there, between all the different tasks you do, just to help you. Yeah? So when we start now doing meditation, we'll do that first bit. We'll get still. We will take deep breaths. We'll observe through our senses and observe your thoughts and observe your body and just bring yourself into a place of stillness. And then we'll go on and do a little bit more with a longer meditation where we just relax more fully and surrender. Okay? Sound good? Any questions? Okay, so let's get started, okay? Okay, so let's just start with some good deep breaths. First of all, what I'd like you to do is, you haven't all got a lot of space, so just be gentle about the neighbours beside you, but grab your muscles, like tighten your hands, and we're not going to hit anyone, okay? We're going to just feel through our body, okay? So I want you to tighten your hands as if you could grab the stress of the day, right? Tighten your core right down to your buttocks, right down to your toes. Grab it, really tighten it as if all that stress is going to be pulled in. And 1, 2, 3, we're going to throw it out to the ground. And shake it off, shake it off, shake it off. Sometimes you want to shake your hands, your toes, your feet. Shake it off. It's good, isn't it? It feels good. Yeah. Yes, it is. Oh, look, honestly, I love babies. They innately remind you of we are so resourced in this area. They know. Every stressed mum that comes in with a new baby, I go, oh, thank God. Watch your baby. They will show you how to be. Okay, ready? Let's do it again, just like a baby. I want, but grab it really tight. Oh, and then 1, 2, 3, throw it away. And shake it off, shake it off. The science, by the way, is just simply you're full of adrenaline and cortisol levels are too high and we're grabbing it and getting rid of it, okay? So we're just going to help you relax, just like in a panic attack. One more time, ready? Pull it up. And then throw it away. And shake it off. And if you notice, by the third one, not as much to shake off, is there? Already, okay? So already you're bringing your body back into balance, okay? All right? Now the next step, when we take the deep breaths, again, what we're trying to do is move from sympathetic to parasympathetic nervous system, so we're bringing ourselves back into balance again, okay? So big deep breaths, as if you could pull it up from the universe and bring it up into your lungs, into your body, into your diaphragm, open and expand and hold. And then release. Pushing it back down into the air. Feels good, doesn't it? You think, why don't we do this more often? Let's do it again. Breathing in. Pull it up. And then let it go. Great. And again, you may might move your body a little bit more if you're feeling some tension somewhere. Just let it out. This is that preparing, getting still. Can you imagine if you did this just before you stepped into the car? Do it in toilets. It's a great place between activities. Okay? It's my secret why I drink lots of tea. I'm always in my loo. All right? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Breathe it in. Hold. And then release. Oh, it feels so good. Feel it. Feel your shoulders relaxing. Your body's going, oh, yes, thank you. Okay? Right here. Now we're going to just ensure that we do full deep breaths, because when we're stressed, we do shallow breathing. So your body's not even being oxygenated properly. So let's continue to do full deep breaths. But now find a comfortable position. Closing your eyes, allowing your body to settle, and as you breathe, notice your breath coming in through your nostrils, holding it, and as you exhale, let go the stuck, stale energy. Continue to focus on your breath. Breathing in through your nostrils, receiving that fresh oxygen, And then letting go the stuck, stale energy as you exhale fully. Imagine those lungs. Feed them fresh oxygen. Breathe it in. Hold and expand your lungs, because the poor things have had shallow breathing. And now when you let go, really push out. In your mind's eye, imagine you can empty your lungs. Empty, empty, empty. Really breathe out that stuck, stale energy. That's it. And again, nice full deep breaths, breathing in love. And letting go. And as you continue to notice your breathing, allow your sensory awareness to focus in on the sense of sound. Hear any sounds external to your body in the room or outside. And notice even the sound of your breathing as you do full deep breaths. Hearing the different sounds. And as you continue, notice the sense of touch as well as the sense of sound. And allow your mind to connect to feeling the chair or the bed or the floor supporting you. Feel the movement of your breath and ensure you're continuing to do full deep breaths. Notice your tummy going in and out as you breathe. Feel the movement of your body as you breathe. Feel the fabric against your skin of your clothes. Feel the support of the chair, the bed, the floor against your body. Breathing in a big balloon of safety, reminding yourself you are safe to be still and observe. Continue to notice your breathing. Notice the sounds. Notice the sense of touch. Notice your body slowing down as you breathe a big balloon of permission in. Permission to slow down. Permission to relax. As you continue to breathe, notice any smells. Candles, outdoors, perfumes. Just smell your environment. Continue to do full deep breaths. Breathing in safety, letting go fear. Breathing in trust, letting go doubt. Breathing in permission to flow. Nothing to do, no effort required. Just focus on your breath. In your mind's eye, imagine opening a foot above your head, your soul star chakra, and allowing the light of the universe, the healing energy of the divine source of life, to come pouring into the top of your head, into your crown, like standing under a waterfall, glistening, healing, like a rainbow, the rays of healing energy pouring into your crown and breathing them in through the top of your head and out through your ajna, your third eye, allowing this healing energy to still your mind, to cleanse away the busyness of the day. Allow this energy with every breath you take, breathing in fresh cleansed energy, pushing away out through your forehead all the stuck, worrying, thinking, all the trying and efforting and forcing. Throw it away with every breath you take. Breathe in permission to just be, allowing this energy to heal and restore your mind to peace, to stillness. With every breath, breathing in fresh cleansed energy and breathing out, exhaling, letting go, pushing away all the fears and doubts and worries. Remembering and receiving the high vibrational energy as it comes flooding in. Welcome it. Surrender to it, your fears and doubts. Surrender the mask you wear to protect you from society and daily activities. Feel the masks dissolving from your face, from your head, from your throat, as this beautiful cleansed energy with every breath you take washes over and through you, softening your armor, dissolving and disintegrating it. Letting go fears and perceptions of attack, letting go assumptions, as this beautiful cleansed energy washes through your being down into your heart. Let go rejection, sadness, shame, blame, guilt, anger, all being washed away as you breathe in pure, divine. Nothing, yet everything. Let it wash through your heart. Let it soak away anger, agitation, anxiety. Let yourself just float now. Surrender your being as this energy of love washes through and over you. Drink it in as you remember being like a newborn baby, or even remembering the source your baby came from. The high vibrational pure energy flooding into you as you take another deep breath in. And as you breathe out, let go through the front and the back of your heart chakra. Push out. Let go. And again, breathe in the fresh energy, pull it down into your heart, and push out and release through your heart. Let go the suffering. We're going to do that again. A big deep breath in. And as you push out, I want you to imagine like a force field pushing from within your heart out through your front, back, and releasing. Good. And again, a deep breath in. And push out. And this time make that force field go right out into your energy field. Better. Better, better, better. Release now from your energy field. Let go. All the cords of attachment. Let go the people, the conversations, the feelings, the misunderstandings. Let it go. Safe to release it. Breathing in fresh cleansed energy and pushing out into your energy field and releasing. That's it. And feeling your energy field expand into a safe place, cleansed. Letting go each person, even your loved ones. Let go and release. Breathe in peace. Breathe in truth. Breathe in love. And as you breathe out, let it radiate like a shiny diamond, radiating out from your heart into your energy field. Let it shine through your energy field, cleansing any blobs of darkness, any blocked stale energy being released, negative entities and energies being shed, all to return to the light, to be transmuted, to bring no harm. Let it go, let it go, let it go. Release. Breathe out into your energy field. That's it. Feel that bubble of space around you being purified, washed, cleaned, soaking, surrendering into a love, like a big bubble of love, of light. Look around you. If any people, images, cords of attachment come up for you, notice them and breathe in the awareness for this moment in time as you cleanse and shower just like you do at home. You don't usually take people with you. Let them go. This is your time. Just breathe in and reclaim your bubble of space. Soaking now in a golden elixir. Breathing into the stillness. Expanding into the peace. Floating into the universe. And if you like, saying out loud, I consciously choose to let go all people, places, times and events that are no longer serving my highest and best. I release these now with ease and grace. So be it, so be it, so be it. Breathing in the freedom, breathing in the expanded consciousness and awareness as you fully surrender now. Letting go, again, I consciously choose to release limitations in thought, mood, and behavior that no longer serve my highest and best. And see yourself connecting with yourself, being aware when you're not living by your highest virtues and values and qualities, where your thoughts are limiting you with anxiety, fear, doubt, insecurities, where your mood is preventing you from radiating love and lightness of me, where fears are controlling your behavior. Breathing in permission to shed, to let go. Surrender all the games. Surrender all the control, the efforting. Open your being. Open your being to lightness, to freedom. Just like a gurgling baby. No one to impress, nothing to do. Just love, laughter. Breathe it in and replenish. Remember a time in nature where you felt love, laughter, a lightness of being. Breathing in permission to be free. Permission to just be. Permission to heal. Connecting with that lighter part of you, that trusting part of you, that playful, happy, peaceful part of you. Remembering it's real, it's true, and it's the best part of you. Giving yourself permission to remember you are this love, you are this light, playful, free entity. You are this energy, cleansed, high vibrational energy. let it continue to wash through and over you, restoring all your chakras to balance, cleansing any remaining stuck energy is simply filtered out into the universe to be transmuted, to bring no harm, as you fully surrender now. Surrender your hurts, surrender life events and experiences and emotions, and just float in this source as it restores your mind to peace, your body to balance, your heart to love, your energy field to lightness as it radiates, soaking in the good feeling of just being who you are, your true, authentic, loving self. As you soak, as you remember, breathe in the awareness that you are resilient. You are resourced. You are intuitive. And you are connected in consciousness, in love and light. Taking in another deep breath and ensuring that you've filled your bubble of space with this beautiful love and light. Ensuring that you've taken back your freedom. Open to the awareness that you are enough just for existing. You deserve love, light, peace, freedom, happiness. Thanking all our guides and mentors for being with us today and for reminding us. Thank you to the elements of earth, air, fire, water and ethos. Sending love to Mother Parameshwari, sending love to the universe, sending love to mankind, sending love to your families, friends, communities. Sending forgiveness, understanding, and awareness of letting go. Breathing in and receiving peace, love, light. Placing it in your heart, polishing your shiny diamond, and ensuring when you come out of this meditation you can radiate that love, that light, that peace in your words, your actions, your deeds. with awareness that positivity attracts positivity, love, light, higher vibrational energy flows freely, breathing in trust and the awareness that you're worthy of this energy, that you like yourself better when you radiate this energy. And making a vow to yourself to bring this truth, consciousness, bliss, love, peace into your physical form as you go about navigating your daily lives. So be it, so be it, so be it. Namaste, Amen. Lots of love and understanding. Give yourself permission to shine and make space for grace. So be it, so be it, so be it. Online, sending love and best wishes and healing energy to a number of people who are in treatment at the moment. Also, in the room, just go quietly, please. Be aware of respecting each other as you come back. And namaste. And enter into your physical form by touching the floor, taking a few deep breaths, feeling your mouth, the tongue on the roof of your mouth, and just gently come back into your being. And as I mentioned online, we do cards now, so we tend to just use the cards to inform us of those qualities we started to discuss today. The qualities that we may be doing or not to our optimal. And the cards just remind us that that's a virtual value we could practice this forthcoming week. And it reminds us the benefits of what we gain in our life when we do practice courage, confidence, love, compassion, all the different virtues. So I wish you well this week and ask you to consider, what virtue do I want to do? I often say in here that when you do stop, get still, take deep breaths, observe yourself. When you get to pee and you plan positively how you're going to interact with the world, ask yourself, what would love do now? Ask yourself, what would love do now to serve your own highest and best? And what would love do now to serve others? Okay? Thank you. Wish you all the best. Okay.